Okay, so that was the other Lennox furnace. I don't know, there was a weird clicking noise before the burners lit. I don't know what that was. I heard it, that same noise yesterday, and I just thought it was like the, something settling or something like that. But I don't know what that was. Hopefully that wasn't the pressure switch. But I don't know. I haven't really done a maintenance on a furnace yet, but it seems to be working all right, and I'm just gonna leave it be. That new train coil looks a lot better on that thing. All right. Thanks for watching.